Hi guys, and welcome back to our video for today, the 1st of December 2025. So let's go through my watch list, how do we trade it, and what is next for these stocks. Starting with AHMA, we entered this one around 8:40 AM Eastern Time, right here, falling wedge breakout against one-day resistance with significant volume of 80,000 per minute candle, before moving averages, as you can see right here. And just to show you in our Discord real quick, so AHMA entered at 1:39 UK time, so we're 5 hours ahead of you guys in the Eastern time zone in the US. So obviously that equates to 8:40, just to give you some proof right there. So yeah, we entered here as explained, and then stop loss kept us in the trade, thankfully. 8.5 stop loss, and it ran to the tune of plus 33%. It did obviously come down here and then re-break here, where we did actually get a re-entry. Just to scroll down and show you here. So again, there, lots of positive reactions right there. And yeah, that's AHMA. Obviously, we've already traded this one, but what is next right now? So getting rid of this entry and the original falling wedge here, and this box percent here. We go to the 5-minute time frame, turn off extend hours data, and then for continuation on this one, we just need to push over 13 for a move of 6 to 8%, in my opinion, for market hours for a day trade. However, alternatively, if we lose 7.5 on this one, I do think it is done, regardless whether you're looking for a swing trade or a day trade. So tread carefully on that one. So again, a break of a 13 should send it higher, and which is the pre-market high as well. And then going to the 4-hour time frame as well now, turning on indicators, you can see basically there's not really much price history at all. This stock only got put on the stock market, it seems, around the 10th of whenever this was, 20th of October or something. So yeah, I mean, a 4-hour close over 13 by 1 p.m. Eastern time today should see it continue, in my opinion, towards 15. And then once we get to 15, we need a 4-hour close over there for continuation towards 20. And the daily time frame, it won't really tell you too much. It's just a massive risk, in my opinion. Structurally, it's just completely broken, and it's just pumped up randomly, as you can see here. Nothing on this was a technical breakout, it's just a bit random. So for a swing trade, I would avoid this, to be honest. I just focus on a day trade on this, with the push over 13 for 6 to 8%. Again, for a swing, I would avoid it on the 4-hour time frame. However, if I was to be forced to do it, I'd wait for 4-hour close over 13. I'm currently halted, which shows it's very volatile, and it's going to be lots of horrible movement for those that are stuck in it. And then coming on to this one, QTTB, so going on the 5-minute time frame right now. So for a day trade on this one, obviously need to break this resistance of 6. So we did have a little push beyond there, but our special criteria for entry wasn't met. But that is our new up thrust, and we're going to shove it in a falling wedge like this. Just wait for a re-break of 6 for, again, a push of 6 to 8% for a day trade. And alternatively, looking at the downside, if we lose 4 in this, in my opinion, I think it is done. So going to the 4-hour time frame on QTTB, for those that are looking for a swing trade. Again, this 6 resistance is massive resistance, so we need an engulfing candle over 6 by 1:30 p.m. Eastern time today, for continuation towards the next resistance of 7.5. And then going to daily time frame, we can have a look. So currently engulfing the 200 exponential moving average on the daily time frame, but it means nothing if we don't have a daily close over 6, because we're currently, yes, engulfed the 200 EMA right here, but we're currently rejecting with a strong top wick and distribution being presented from the resistance of 6. So a daily close over 6 for continuation on this on QTTB if you're looking for a swing trade on the daily time frame. And again, if it loses 4 on the 5-minute, forget a swing, it's just completely done. And then finally coming on to KALA, which we KALA, which we also notified in the Discord. So again, just to show you, so we entered around here, 9:27. So just to show you right here, coming down. KALA right here. So yeah, 226 for us in the UK, which is 926 for those in US. So we entered around 1.35. It came down to 1.22, thankfully not 1.21, so we kept in the trade. And obviously it ran up towards our first target of 1.48 to 1.51, as you can see here. But we have traded it, so what is next? So to turn off extended hours data here, you can see, currently battling with 1.35 support, not doing very well. I'm not a fan of this one. For a day trade, you want to push up over 1.35 once again for a move of 6 to 8%. But in my opinion, it needs a bit more accumulation. You need more candles. And just to show that it's acting as resistance properly rather than just 2 faint rejections. If we don't manage to break this 1.35 level anytime soon, we're coming for a Bollinger Band Center retest around 1.1. And yeah, for a day trade, I would avoid it, to be honest. So looking at the 4-hour time frame. So again, spoke about this in the previous one. So rejection here from a significant moving average right here. The 60 EMA at 1.55. And we need to have a 4-hour close not over only 1.55, but also over the 1.7 resistance, because it means nothing. You can break over this you can break over the 60 EMA here, but if you get rejected from the resistance directly above, it means nothing. So we need to have a 4-hour close over 1.7 by 1:30 p.m. Eastern time for continuation of this if you're looking for a swing trade. Then going on a daily time frame to finish up, I would say a daily close again over 1.7 would be good. Structurally, it'll look good. You'll be getting a U-shape. U-shapes are bullish, and if we break 1.7 on the daily time frame, we should be coming towards 2 in my opinion, and so on. So a daily close over 1.7 should see 2, and then a daily close over 2. You've got a massive gap up here, probably a good chance of it coming into a death cross retest around 3.3. So yeah, for a day trade, I would avoid it. I'd wait for a 4-hour close of 1.7 or a daily close of 1.7 on this one. So we'll be avoiding it. So hopefully you can make some notes and keep an eye on these stocks and tickers. If it's something that you fancy, again, all alerts here in real time, day trades from myself, another one called Phoenix, Fox, and another one called Pro Trader. As not only that, we have 4 options channels and 2 swing traders and live trading on right now, which we do on a daily basis, alongside teaching you how to do it. So if that's something that you fancy, check us out, link in the video description and in the Twitter bio. So thanks guys, and catch you all tomorrow.